Glass Morphism Effect in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Alight Motion app on your device. Once the application has loaded, press the Create New Project button located in the middle of the screen. Set your project settings according to your needs. After selecting the settings you want, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Next, press the plus button in the bottom right corner and import the footage that you want to use as your background. Once the footage has been added to the timeline, press the plus button again and add a rectangle shape to your project. After the rectangle appears on the screen, adjust its size until it covers the area where you want the Glass Morphism Effect to appear. With the rectangle selected, open the Effect browser and search for Copy Background. Apply the effect to the rectangle layer. After adding the effect, open the Effect browser again and search for Inner Blur. Apply the Inner Blur effect to the same rectangle layer and adjust the settings according to your preference. After setting up the blur, duplicate the rectangle layer and remove all effects from the duplicated layer. Open the Color and Fill section and select the gradient option. Adjust the gradient according to the look you want. When you are satisfied with the gradient, open Blending and Opacity and set the blending mode to screen. Next, duplicate the rectangle once again. Open the Effect browser and search for Gradient Overlay. Apply the effect to the new rectangle layer. Set the blending mode back to normal, then open Color and Fill and turn off the rectangle color. After that, open Border and Shadow, enable the stroke option, and adjust the stroke size according to your preference. Return to the Gradient Overlay effect and set the colors to white and black. Continue adjusting the angle until you find a result that looks good. Once finished, open Blending and Opacity again and set the blending mode back to screen. Now duplicate the rectangle one more time and remove all effects from this new copy. Open Color and Fill, enable the color option, and change the color to gray. After that, open the Effect browser and search for Noise. Apply the noise effect to the rectangle and adjust the strength value until you find the amount you like. Finally, open Blending and Opacity and set the blending mode to Overlay, and you will have successfully created a Glass Morphism Effect in Alight Motion.